KTN.
Meanwhile, a calculated bid to dismantle Fred Matiangi's backyard grip in Gusiland has once again revealed itself, this time at a high-stakes State House event co-chaired by President William Ruto and former Prime Minister Raila Odinga.
The gathering, which brought together a cross-section of Kisii leaders, has left many speculating that this could be more than just a routine consultative meeting, but a strategic power play aimed at neutralizing the lingering influence of former Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiangi in his home turf, given that the president met the leaders just 3 weeks ago.
Vera Mora tells us more.
In a move that is as much about optics as it is about power, President William Ruto and former Prime Minister Raila Odinga have intensified their charm in the Gusii region, meeting Kisii and Nyamira leaders twice within a span of a month. The latest gathering at State House Nairobi, led by Kisii Governor Simba Arati, marked a deliberate escalation in Ruto's efforts to pry open a region long considered the political stronghold of former Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiangi.
Wiki mbili zilizopita ama tatu uliweza kukutana na viongozi kutoka Kisii, na kuna habari nyingi ambao vitu nyingi tulikuomba, na tunashukuru kama jamii kwa sababu uliweza kutupea hizo vitu. Tumekuja kurudisha shukrani mbele tu kabla hazijafanyika.
By unveiling billions in development pledges, housing, markets, electrification, Ruto is doing more than delivering services. He is laying the groundwork for a deeper political presence, signaling to local leaders and voters that the future of Kisii is tied to the center of power. The back and forth meeting with Kisii leaders, including today's high-profile State House event, shows a campaign in motion.
Na nyinyi hata mkipima kweli kwa hawa watu wako hapo hiyo group, iko mtu hapo ako na agenda yote. Tumejaribu kuwauliza nyinyi, mtueleze, what is your plan? They have no plan. One term, Kasongo, must go. Sasa
you cannot keep a country in a permanent state of campaign. There will be no development. Itakana kama uchaguzi imekwisha, watu wanarudi kufanya kazi.
The absence of Governor Amos Nyaribo has heightened political intrigue. Given his political stance, Nyaribo is a member of Matiangi's party, UPA. 3 weeks prior, Ruto hosted a similar delegation of grassroots leaders and members of parliament from the same counties, promising transformative development projects, including the Nyamira University and the expansion of the Sotik-Kisii Road. Ruto's political calculus is clear. Kisii and Nyamira are swing zones, historically leaning opposition but ripe for realignment. Ahead of the 2027 general elections, Kisii and Nyamira are now battlegrounds of opportunity. The region is watching, and the battle for its soul is far from over. Vera Mora, KTN.
Thank you, Vera Mora, for that. Well, we want to take a short break.